We spend a third of our time on the bed. But the problem is, it is also home to countless unseen and dangerous companions. According to research, there could be up to 2 million desk mites on a bed. Together with other microorganisms, they cause sicknesses and allergic reactions. Red eyes, runny nose, skin rashes, asthma attacks, and lung infections. Medical associations recommend preventative actions over medications. One effective way is to remove these allergens from our surroundings. Corvin UV Bed Vacuum is designed to loosen, kill, remove, and trap allergens. Its professional-grade 10-watt UVC tube kills bacteria and viruses effectively. The twin vibrating pads tap 8,000 times per minute. The vibrations penetrate through layers of fabric to loosen particles and dust mites. Strong cyclonic vacuum system sucks in these particles and microorganisms. The 3-stage True HEPA filtration system traps particles as fine as 0.3 micron. This cordless UV bed vacuum is not only convenient, it is so safe and user-friendly that practically anyone in the family can use it anytime. Let's see what the cordless UV bed vacuum picks up from a bed and a pillow. This bed was cleaned using a well-known water-based vacuum system 4 weeks ago. Look at the amount of dead skin cells, dead mites, germs, and fine dust collected. Clean your surrounding regularly for a healthier living environment. www.corvin.com.my